I'm curious, what exactly enforces it on the train? So is there like a guy that walks around and checks?
Yes.
Okay.
They have what we call handheld validators.
Okay. And they're going to be just on the just walking through the train throughout the ride. Is that
Yes.
okay? I was just curious of how they were going to enforce that, because I know obviously it's not going to control the doors opening and shutting.
No.
Yeah. Okay. And I guess the soft cards that I'm seeing around are those are the limited use passes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is these one way or a round trip.
Gotcha. And then the harder ones are the 7-day and the 30.
Annual and
Okay.
and one that you just put money on.
Okay. Does there happen to be a pass that's going to be going around that combines Lynx and Sunrail, or is,
Yes.
Okay.
Currently, what it's going to do is let you transfer between Lynx and Sunrail.
Okay.
Lynx is putting in some machines at their Lynx Central Station.
Okay. And just there, not at the bus stops, or
Well, you can use the same, not at bus stops.
Okay.
You can use the same card that you get out of the Sunrail machine or a Lynx machine.
okay.
You'll get transferring from Lynx to Sunrail.
Right.
You'll get a pass from the driver.
Okay.
When you go from Sunrail to Lynx,
Oh, you can keep.
you just use your Sunrail pass.
Gotcha. So when you're at your destination, say if I was going from Florida Mall and I took the bus to Sunrail,
Yeah.
rode Sunrail to Lake Mary,
Right.
and wanted to take a bus from Lake Mary somewhere else, that'd be one fare, or
Right.
okay. Cool.